Good day everyone. In this video we are going to share any folder or file on Windows 11 computer. It's a very easy and straightforward process. Please make sure you watch the whole video. And guys, if you're new to the channel, please hit the like and subscribe. So firstly, we need to decide that which folder or file we need to share. So in my case, I have this folder in my desktop. I just have to do a right click and then I go to properties. Once I'm in data properties, I need to go to the sharing center, sharing tab, which is at the top. And from here, we need to go to this advanced sharing. I'll click on advanced sharing. The moment you do it, there will be an option called share this folder. So you need to check mark, go to permissions, and here you can permissions for everyone. You want to give a read permission or change permission or full permission. It is up to you which all permission you want to give, and then just click on apply. Okay, and then again apply and okay. Once you do that, close it and open the file explorer, and from here just maximize it. At the left hand side, you just need to click on network and you will have all of your computers connected in the network. So if you have a different computer, just open the file explorer and see computer name and the folder which you have shared. If you did not see it, then I would recommend to restart both the computers if you are unable to see the shared folder. I hope you have enjoyed this very short video. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.